Hey everyone, this is Joan, co-founder at Openfort. Truly excited to go through our first launch week as a team. This launch week has been pretty hectic. We launched 5 new updates plus an extra one in 7 days. And so let's basically go through all these updates one by one, so you have a very holistic view of what we shipped. So on Monday, the first thing we shipped was the ecosystem customization tool. Now, this is the easiest way we found so far to basically allow any ecosystem to customize the look and feel of their wallet by simply clicking and copying the code base that is created to their main repository. Now, if there's better ways to do this, please let us know, but this is like a first step into easing this customization. Now, moving to Tuesday, basically launch the ecosystem wallet 2.0. This update comes with 2 main features. The first one is that we dropped the API key, so there's no requirement for you to start using the wallet SDK that we created for any blockchain out there without actually needing an API key from Openfort. So this is quite powerful. And the second cool update that we've done is that basically we implemented the mobile wallet protocol from the Coinbase team that allows us, among other things, to encrypt the communication between the ecosystem web page that exists and the application requested. Now, the way that it looks and feels, it's now represented here on the rapid fire sample, where simply you can log in with the rapid fire, and then it allows you to sign data if you want to sign data, allows you to verify other sort of things, all within this ecosystem wallet. You can get full documentation and GitHub, and even some videos explaining how on the 3 boxes below. Now, moving to the third day, on Wednesday, we basically launched guest mode for users that are logging in, and basically exemplified in this Lost Dungeon game that we have, where you have a play as a guest option. So the guest mode is, as it says, basically allows you to onboard users without them having to log into your application with any socials or wallets or emails. Now, the cool thing about this is that, as it says, it's straight to the fun, straight to the cool part. And then later on, if you onboard it with guest mode, you have the ability to register your account if you want so. The third update that we did, it's around the React Native SDKs. Now, React Native SDKs, we created 2 different React Native. One is for the ecosystem wallet, and the other one is for the embedded wallet. It basically allows you to have everything that you already have on our JavaScript SDKs, but mobile native. Now, the cool thing about this is that it feels very much like as if you were interacting within an app. And so if you want to log in with the user, if you want to make signatures, if you want to make transactions, it feels very cool. And so this is already available on our documentation, and the React Native SDK for embedded wallet is coming later this week. The third update, it's on the chain abstraction, right? So Pierre did a really good job explaining what we've been working at Openfort, but basically the TLDR is that we basically combine the Magic Spend ++ implementation with on-chain proofs by Polymer that allows us to have an end-to-end way to make an intent from chain A to chain B, and then unlocking the funds on each respective chain without any centralized component within it. And the best part around this is that we package it inside the ecosystem wallet, meaning that any ecosystem can become their own liquidity provider, and this allows us basically and the ecosystems to also take extra capture the value on providing liquidity and other stuff that are coming too. Last update, and this was like the extra day on Saturday, but we basically announced that zkSync accounts are now fully audited, and we are deploying them on zkSync as well as other Elastic chains. So very excited about supporting zkSync ecosystem. And we also optimize our backend. So now every single API call that you do to a backend, either to create a wallet, either to send a transaction, to sign, etc., it's 1.5 times faster. This is extremely important for us. It's one of the top priorities in everything that we do. Speed matters a lot whenever you're interacting with the end user. And so we keep improving these parts as much as we can. So that's it. That's a wrap for this launch week. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a very hectic end of the year. I hope you can hang with us next year. There's a ton of cool innovations coming from Openfort, and can't wait to unveil them soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.